கோல்வெல்ஸ் அகாடமிக் சார்பாக உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் என் வணக்கத்தை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கின்றேன். வெல்கம் டு த ஜாய்ஃபுல் லேர்னிங். இந்த சேனல் மூலிமா நம்ம ஹேண்ட் ஷேக்கிங் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். குவான்டிடேட்டிவ் ஆப்டிடியூட் பேஸ்ட் ஹேண்ட் ஷேக்கிங் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ். In the pandemic situation, we are not eager to shake our hands, but we have to study handshaking problems with the tricks also. Now we go for the problems. Before going to the problem, just kindly subscribe the channel, click the bell icon to get all the notifications, give your likes, share with your friends, review your comments. Handshaking problem. The condition of the handshaking problem is one by one goes and shake hands with those they haven't shaken hands with other. So this is the condition we are going to apply. Now we see the problem simultaneously. We go through the conditions also. Now, if there are 5 persons in a class named as A, B, C, D and E, all are shaking the hands with each other, what is the total outcome? This is the question. Now, there are 5 persons. Who are the 5 persons? A, B, C, D, E. So, this 5 persons going to shake their hands with one another. Now, A turn. A is going to shake the hands with how many persons? 4 persons. That is, A is going to shake hands with B, C, D, E. Now, A shake hands with 4 persons. So, total number of handshakes are 4. Now, it's the turn for B. A go away. So, B is now going to shake hands. B going to shake hands with C, D and E. So, handshakes with B going to shake hands with 3 persons. So, total number of handshake for B is 3. Now, C. So, how many members still remaining? D and E remaining. So, C is going to shake the hands with D and E. So, C shakes hands with 2 persons. Now, it's a turn for D. D just going to shake the hands with E. So, D shake hands with only one person. That is 1. Now, E has no other persons to shake the hands. So, E is equal to total number of handshake for E is 0. Now, if there are 5 persons, then total number of handshake. A shake the hands with 4 persons, 4 plus B shake hands with 3 persons, so plus 3, and C shakes hands with 2 persons, so plus 2. Now, E shake hands with only 1 person, so it is 1, and E doesn't shake any of the hands to any of the persons. So, 0. So, 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 10 is the answer. That's what the formula is going to be, summation 4. 4 means what? 5 minus 1. Total number of persons are 5. So, 5 minus 1. So, we can write the formula. If there are n people, then total number of handshake equal to summation n minus 1. This is the formula we are going to use for this problem. If there are 50 persons students in a class, all are shaking hands with each other, what is the total outcome? So, 50 minus 1 is 49. So, 49, summation 49 can be written as 49 plus 48 plus etc. up to 2 plus 1. So, if you add this, you will be getting the answer 253. If it is a smaller problem, there is no lack of time. But if you take the bigger value of the problem, we don't have sufficient time to finish the problem. So, we have to use the technical tricks. Tricks are needed for big values. So, we are going to have the formula NC2. This comes with the permutation and combination. N into n minus 1 by 2. Just you can apply the value of n. If any number of persons given means we have to use this formula. Now we go for the problem. One more problem. If 20 people shaking hands with each other, then how many handshakes will be there in total? So, number of persons given are n is equal to 20. So, formula is n into n minus 1 by 2. 20 into 20 minus 1 by 2. So, 20 minus 1 is 19 dividing by 2. 20 can be divided with 2. So, it becomes 10. 10 into 19. 10 into 19 is 190. Instead of adding the values, you can use this formula which make you better easier. Next problem. In a party, every person shake hands with each other persons. There are totally 210 handshakes in a party. Find the number of person. ER it is given, PERSON person who were present in the party. So we don't have how many persons. Total handshakes are given. So from this formula we can find n also. So what is the formula? N into n minus 1 by 2 equal to 210. So dividing by 2 is there. Dividing by 2 that side goes means it becomes multiplication. So n into n square minus n into 1 is n. N square minus n equal to 210 into 2 is 420 plus 420 this side comes means minus 420. So n square minus n minus 420 equal to 0. Now coming to the rough column. We want to factorize minus 420 into two factors. So minus 420 can be written as 21 into 20. In between that is n square minus n. Minus n means what? It is negative value for the big value we have to give. So minus 21 and 20 are the two numbers. For the big value is 21. So for the big value you assign the symbol minus. Minus 21 plus 20. So 21 minus 20 becomes minus 1. That is n square value. Minus n we are getting. Now n plus 20 into n minus 20 equal to 0. N plus 20 equal to 0 we are taking. N equal to plus 20 this side comes means minus 20. We cannot say it is a minus 20 persons are there in a party. So it is impossible to say minus 20. So neglect that one. N minus 21 equal to 0. N is equal to minus 21 comes this side means it is plus 21. Obviously we can say there are 21 persons are there in a party in shaking their hands. Now 12 people at a party shaking hands once with everyone else in the room. How many handshakes took place? So again we are going to use the same formula, n into n minus 1 by 2 which is equal to, now n value is 12, 12 into 12 minus 1 is 11 by 2. 12 and 2 getting cancelled, so it becomes 6. 6 into 11 is equal to 66. Now you can do by yourself. This is the problem for you. After finishing the problem you can give it in the comment section. Thank you for watching this channel. If you like this channel, kindly subscribe this channel to get more and more updating videos. Click the bell icon to get all the notification. Nandri.